In this video, I'll show you how to add voice effects to Instagram DMs. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the messages icon to open your DMs. Next, open any conversation where you want to send a voice message. Tap and hold the microphone icon to start recording your message. You can also slide up to lock the recording if you want to record hands-free. While recording, look for the voice effects option on the screen. Tap on it to browse the available effects. You'll see different voice effects such as chipmunk, demon, pirate, and others. Simply select the effect you want to use and listen to the preview if available. Once you're happy with the result, tap Send to deliver the voice message with the selected effect. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can add voice effects to Instagram DMs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn